Hi, welcome back to my channel. Unless you're new, then welcome for the first time. That thing over there, that's my MX-5, and you might be wondering, if you're not new to the channel, what happened to my Nissan 370Z. It's dead, and I crashed it, but it's okay because I was kind of bored of it anyways. I wanted something a little lighter, and this old third gen MX-5, they're getting really cheap, and they also kind of look better now. They look kind of aged like a fine wine, or not. Hot take, I guess. But so I bought one because I thought it would be a good lightweight two-wheel drive car to have fun with. I already took it on a grip track day, and I even managed to beat an Honda S2000, but that's not much of an accomplishment because the guy was actually quite slow, so it's not a big of a deal. Anyway, so the first time I went drifting with this car, I decided to put some old all-season tires, just because I was worried that it wouldn't have enough power to be able to carry a drift. But I was obviously very wrong.
T'es prêt à avoir une initiation de fou? Wow, trop! Non! Elle a pas assez d'angle pour faire ça. Wow, wow, le grip. Ouais. J'avoue, je force un peu là. Du coup, on peut drift assez chill au final, tu vois. Ouais.
So the combination of bad tires and a wet track meant that the car handled like a Formula drift car, which is kind of cool until you reach the lap where the grip is non-existent on the tires, because at some point I was just initiating the drift and then it would never grip up.
No. Ouais, en fait, je crois que j'ai vraiment...
Yeah, that wasn't great, but the next time I went drifting I knew about that, so I decided to put some regular summer tires in 205 size, which is like the standard size for tires on this car. And that's when I realized that actually this car is an awesome drift car. You can do basically anything. I didn't have an angle kit, so I couldn't actually hold a lot of angle, but it was still a lot of fun.
Là tu caressais ton volant un peu.
Ouais.
Tu prends la douche.
Ouais, c'est bon, je prends la douche. Ouais, il fallait que je lave mon pare-brise de toute façon. Oh, juste pas, non.
Oh, dommage.
Dommage.
So are MX-5 bad drift cars? Well, obviously not. People have been drifting them for like decades now. I'm not the first person to drift an MX-5 by far. So, but I would like to say though that I think they do have advantages over other chassis. The main one is that they force you to be a better driver in order to drift them. Like because they have no power, you're constantly struggling to actually keep the car in a slide, so you have to like hold a lot more angle than with another chassis where you can get away with less angle. This is actually good because it means that you understand really like the dynamics of drifting, I guess. And also there is the fact that the wheelbase is very short, so if you do transition you have to be very smooth, because if you're too snappy with your transition, which I'm kind of guilty of, the car is going to spin out right away, so you really have to be smooth. So I think that's why the MX-5 is a great drift car as well, on top of the fact that they're also good for drifting in general. Yeah, I mean, and if you have an MX-5 or you're planning to buy one and you're wondering if you're going to be able to drift it, know that it's okay. Doesn't matter what model you have, you can drift it. Except if you have the 90 horsepower one, then I think it's going to be a bit of a struggle, but it's still possible. Anyway, if you liked this video, leave a like. If you didn't like this video, you can leave a dislike, and subscribe to my channel no matter what, because I welcome all the haters. Anyway, see you next time. Bye.